Cabinet Secretary, we were told by you, by way of a written statement on the International Day of Disabled People at the end of last year, that we would have an oral statement in the new year on the progress of the Disability Rights Task Force. Well, we haven't had one. And given that that work of publishing a Disability Rights Action Plan is so long overdue, that's disappointing. And we need to hear also about the lack of progress too, and the reasons for that, on your programme for government commitment to incorporate the United Nations Convention on the Rights of Disabled People, and also what work is being done to address the disability employment gap, which is considerably higher in Wales than the rest of the UK. The recent inquiry on that disability employment gap held by the Equality and Social Justice Committee, of which I'm a member, heard deep and widespread concern about the lack of progress on the publication and implementation of the work of the Disability Rights Task Force. You co-chair that task force with Professor Debbie Foster, who told the committee that things, in her words, had drifted, and pointed to redirection of resources as one of the possible reasons for this. EHRC Cymru told us that, and I quote, disability does not have the same status, perhaps, as other protected characteristics, and we don't see the same focus or drive in the space of disability. So how would you respond to this, and when will we get an update that could ensure progress and delivery of the support needed by the deaf community as called for in the motion? I gloi, rydyn ni angen ystyried sut mae effaith triennus llymder a ddechreuwyd gan y Llywodraeth San Steffan gynt ac sy'n parhau i raddau helaeth dan y Llywodraeth bresennol wedi tanseilio effeithiolrwydd gwasanaethau cyhoeddus. Gyda ymchwil diweddar gen RNID Cymru yn dangos bod rhai awdurdodau lleol yng Nghymru wedi gorfod torri gwariant ar offer a gwasanaethau i bobl byddar gan dros 100% ers 2010. Mae'n bwysig cofio nad yw'r anghydraddoldebau ac anfantais rydyn ni'n sôn amdano fe yn ystod y ddadl hon yn bodoli mewn gwacter, yn hytrach mae'n bodoli mewn spectrwm ehangach o anghyfiawnderau cymdeithasol. Rhywbeth all ond ddechrau cael ei adfer mewn difri drwy setliad newydd ariannol teg i Gymru gan San Steffan ar sail Anghenion ein poblogaeth.